just wish I knew who signed this. Way more.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. Oh wait, this is the men's.
Around if anyone has any questions. A community could be neighbors on your street. And ask each of the panelists.
With the gentleman who helped me. Oh, sorry. Peter Wolf who helped me my way through.
I was just reminding you on an embarrassing
South of East. It's like more of a social.
So it's like, oh, you are.
By pulling up under the growth fund.
Okay.
We get
So
50,000.
you start from 50,000. Oh,
Yeah, 25,000 when you sign a lease in McKinney.
okay.
Yeah. 25,000 when you sign a lease in McKinney and register in the state of Texas, and 12,500 at the end of year 1 with compliance, 12,500 at the end of year 2. But what's cool is at growth, you start showing traction, you start showing some rapid growth, and you're above 10 employees, you can actually graduate into expansion, which helps you qualify for the up to $500,000.
Okay. They don't take any equity and it's funded by the city.
Rosa, that's where I'm going. I kept asking this black Rosita.
Wonderful night already. Where did they come from? Interesting.
Thank you.